Good morning, guys. It is Saturday.
Good morning.
We're about to leave our Airbnb and go to the port. We just finished packing up.
Yes.
We're about to call a lift.
It's what time is it?
And it's 11:30.
Our check-in time is 12 o'clock, and it's raining outside. But that's okay.
It was raining last year.
It was raining last year, yeah, and it was hard to get to the port with like the luggage and stuff, but you did all that. But yeah, we're about to leave. It's supposed to stop raining by the time
we take off.
So hopefully that'll be good. So let's go.
We are in the lift headed to the port. Kyra forgot the key.
I had the key in my hands.
And we're supposed to leave it in the room, so I had to run back to the room in the rain.
Sorry.
It wasn't that bad. I'm also wet, but it's all good. About to.
I look good though. It is coming down. And it's windy on top of the rain. We're not gonna let the rain get us down. She is Norwegian escape. But we can't film in the terminal. There's no like photography, no video or anything. What time is it right now?
It is 11:57.
We'll see what time we get on the ship. That's the next time you guys will see us, is when we are on the Norwegian escape.
Are you excited?
Yeah, so excited.
And a glass of the food.
Hey, it's lit.
Not a bad check-in at all. It took 17 minutes.
We just walked in, stood in line for a little bit, checked in, and now we are on the ship. Turn up. Oh. Yeah. Look, I'm sure. Hi, thank you.
This is completely different.
Would you look at this freaking ship immediately?
Go up one floor.
Our rooms are probably not ready yet though. Oh, I'm so shook to the core. Look at this. Is that a mirror? Oh, that's a mirror.
You wanna walk?
Yeah, let's walk. Let's go up. With Norwegian, you don't walk into an atrium. You just walk into stairs. You know, with Carnival, you walk into a big atrium. So it's always like different. But this is so beautiful. Maybe we should take the elevator.
No, we're doing stairs, bro.
Say that again.
We're doing stairs. This whole trip.
And you breathing hard already.
No. Kyra is breathing hard. Y'all hear in the camera?
Here we go, y'all. Taking stairs. We gonna see how long this lasts, cause I'm breathing heavy already, and I ain't even ate nothing.
I'm gonna be in shape by the end of this cruise. I'm gonna eat what I want to. I'm gonna be looking good.
We'll see about that. All right, we're in the Lido. Look at how nice this is. Like, it's just so modern looking. This is so pretty. Salad bar, ice cream, cheese and cold cuts.
I like this setup better than that.
I think that it's the same thing on both sides. Hot favorites, soup and bread. These are supposed to be so good. Doesn't everybody love these? Ice cream. Look, Aaron. Ice cream station. Oh, dessert. That's what I'm trying to get. You heard? Asian favorites. It's so hot in here. Or at least I'm hot. It might not be that hot, but I'm super hot. It's a burger bar, pizza, sandwiches, and salads. Oh, that looks so good. Tuna croissant. That looks delicious. Look at that. So I think that was one side, and this is the other side, and it just repeats everything we just saw.
That is crazy.
But that was a really long section for food. Like, that was a lot of food, and then it repeats all. Like, it's just a big circle. The food looks so good. That doesn't mean it'll taste good, but it looks good. Well, let's walk around. You guys, this is Margaritaville. This is open when you board, but there's a charge for like the food and stuff here. So just so you know, like you have to pay to eat here. But there's a lot of people eating. You wanna go this way? Yeah. Ooh, there's the obstacle course.
Oh wow. You got to pay for that?
No, it's free. It goes off onto the side. You see that? You walk out on the thing. So we're not that hungry right now. We just left the garden cafe. We're just gonna look around, explore the ship a little bit. Let's go to the gym and the spa. Free weights. There's a Smith machine. Are you kidding me? Look at this. Everything's really nice and clean and new. It smells really good in here. We just got off the elevator on deck 8. This is La Cucina. It is a specialty restaurant. Look how pretty it is. I mean, like, how beautiful is this? 5 o'clock somewhere bar. Won't be going in there. Tobacco Road bar, if you care about that. Beautiful.
This is like Italia. Le Bistro.
That's French. Do better. Look at how gorgeous. I can't stop staring at this thing.
Cagney's and Moderno.
This place, Moderno, is like
That go-to place, huh?
no, it's like Texas de Brazil style.
Oh.
Like they bring the food around.
Oh, we're gonna eat a whole lamb. Oh, we're in the back of the ship. According to this thing here.
Oh.
Let's
go down and look at 7 and 6.
I mean, we're just trying to get acclimated to the ship.
And welcome aboard the Norwegian Escape. This is Dave, your assistant cruise director, letting you know that your amazing housekeeping staff are currently placing the final finishing touches on your staterooms.
Lighting
and we
is
will
bad.
update you as soon as your staterooms are available.
All right.
In the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, I do encourage you to go out there and explore this beautiful ship and all she has to offer. If you are hungry, lunch is now being served in the Garden Cafe buffet, Ocean's Irish Pub, Jimmy Buffett's First Margaritaville at Sea, or if you're just parents, make sure to register your kids and teens for our
No children, thank God.
program.
Hallelujah. No kids November.
We also have
December!
Well, there's not another in month, so I had to use November.
This is Ocean's bar, I think. Yeah. Ocean's. It is crowded in here. Wow. So here's the theater here. And the box office is over here. This is where you can reserve shows for each evening.
How do we scan it?
Entertainment. So tonight is the Welcome Aboard show. It doesn't have to be reserved. So if we wanted to do this today, Flyboys, which I don't know what that is, it doesn't give me any information. But if you wanted to, you could reserve it. And if you want to reserve it for any other day, you can do that. We're going to do this tonight, so we don't have to reserve it. Oh, look, what's going on. Oh, and then they have a little schedule of what's going on today. Dining for tonight. Shows you plenty of room, filling up, worth the wait. How cool is that? Shows you what's available now, what you can reserve for later on. This is so cool. See, complimentary. You want to do specialty, then it shows you everything you can reserve. How cool is that? Okay, you guys, so I think our room is ready. We're on deck 8. I just want to show you guys like where our room is because it's kind of in the cut.
Right.
So like, here's deck 8 here. We're forward. There's Food Republic over here, and then the elevators are here. And this leads to the waterfront, and then the brew house is over here. But you see over here, there's like a hallway. So you go down this hallway. Let's see if they're open. They might not even be ready yet. We're like the second to the last room. Here it is. 8712.
Hi sir, hi ma'am. That's your cabin.
Yeah.
Just want to know you on your story.
Okay, okay.
Oh,
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you.
Welcome on, sir.
Thanks so
What was your day? Long day today?
Yeah.
Yes.
We need to take some rest now then.
Right. Thanks so much.
It's ready now.
Okay, all right.
Okay,
great.
good. Thank you.
Luggage, how many luggage do you have to receive?
Two.
Just
Too
two.
bad.
Have it at your door.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh yeah, you have to put the card in, and that's how it lights up. Here's our room. Welcome to your home away from home. I got a standard balcony room, nothing special, like just a plain balcony. I did a balcony guarantee, which means you don't actually know where your room is going to be on the ship, but you're guaranteed to get a balcony. But for some reason when I booked it, it automatically told me what room I was gonna get. They usually don't tell you until later what room you're gonna be in. I looked up reviews and stuff because I just like to do that, and it said that the size of the balcony was practically the size of the room, and I was like, wait, hold on, that's a really big balcony. So I looked up the ones that are like next to this one and stuff, and those are like, they're basically like big size balconies that you have to pay for that. But for some reason this room was just the one that we got. I don't know if this is considered an upgrade room or not. Can you guys see how huge this balcony is? Like, it's so big.
All right, family. We're about to sit down and eat. We have
We're finally eating now.
plates full of a lot of
whole
different
bunch of stuff.
assortments of food. Look at my beautiful queen. We just finished eating, and we're up here in the adult club. Kyra, I think, is putting a post on Instagram. This is what?
Spice
H2O.
This is
And
the adults only section.
the adults only sections.
I think at nighttime this is where there's parties and stuff. I'm not sure, I don't know.
Anyway, it's a nice little spot. Got a little TV right there or whatever. I'm just happy that I'm on this cruise, and I love Kyra so very, very much because she planned out everything, all the details, all the stuff. I have a bomb wife, y'all. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I am blessed with a very, very bomb wife, and I love her very, very much. Like, you see how she came in and just messed up everything. All right, guys, we are moving. We are moving. Kyra's back there on the phone with her mom and dad, just telling them that we're about to, or that we're pulling out of port. Kyra, are you excited? Are you excited? Yes or no?
Yes.
All right, we are about to get out the open sea, doggone it. Jamaica, here we come. That's our first stop.
Hi.
Emergency phone number 911 from any phone on board. In compliance with SOLAS, we will continue by having staff members demonstrate the correct way to wear a life jacket.
What's up, guys?
After we did the drill and I unpacked everything, now it's 6 o'clock, we're about to go eat.
Right.
And then we're going to go, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go to a game show in the atrium, and then the welcome aboard show's at 8. But we're on the way to dinner, and they said on the intercom that it's an all-American buffet dinner tonight. We're going to the buffet, so let's do it.
So, are you ready for the challenge? Okay, so, Kim, your 55 seconds to stay alive starts now.
Shake it, girl!
There you go. You need this. You see nothing I'm gonna catch. Shake it. 0. All right, there you go.
We just left the 55 to win it show or something like that. It's basically Minute to Win It, but they said they got sued for using Minute to Win It, so they changed it to 55 in a minute. 50 win it. I don't know what it is. After we ate dinner, we went there. The buffet food was really good. I'm addicted to the pizza. Norwegian pizza is so good. The cheese pizza is so good to me. We brought some refillable water bottles to take with us when we're walking around and stuff, and we came back to the room just to get them so we could refill them. And then we're gonna go to the welcome aboard show tonight, which is at 8 o'clock, and it's like 7:30 now.
All right, guys, we just got back to our room from the, what was it?
The welcome aboard show. We couldn't record or take pictures.
Right. But it was really good.
It was good.
It has, like, this ship has a lot of good stuff, but we just wanted to sign off for tonight. We'll see y'all in the morning.
Tomorrow is a sea day.
So we're gonna be chilling, relaxing.
Yep.
We'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.